Hi friends, in this video we will review the bike accessories, that is headlight, tail light, water bottle holder, water bottle, cycle stand, multi tool kit and the most important part for your safety, that is helmet. Friends, safety is of prime importance and helmet makes your safety. This helmet is from Bontrager and helmet comes in smart packaging. This helmet is Solstice model from Bontrager and the size of helmet is medium large. Case replacement guarantee provide free helmet replacement if it is involved in a case within the first year of ownership. The size chart is shown on the box and this is the size chart where you can choose the size of the helmet according to your head circumference. So this is our helmet in high visibility yellow color. This helmet has large vents for more airflow while maintaining structural integrity and keep you cool. The weight of the helmet is around 295 grams and the model is Solstice Bontrager as I said earlier, and this is Bontrager logo. Fresh pads are in this helmet. Pads are very soft, comfortable and moisture wicking pads are provided. Instant and maintained comfort and are also removable for cleaning. Lockdown dividers make helmet strap management to clean and easy to adjust. Friends, this is one-handed headmaster fit system. You can adjust your height according to your head circumference. It is full-length fit system designed for use with medium and large size helmets. You can adjust your height through this adjuster. Reflective elements on the back of the helmet offer enhanced visibility when riding in low light condition. Built-in and removable visor are in this helmet. If you want, you can remove also for constant coverage. The cost of the helmet is around 4000 rupees. This is a basic multi-tool that is easy to use and stable for every toolkit. Sometimes you need to adjust the things your bike and this toolkit play important role. In this toolkit there are 10 functions. It is made of steel material. Our widget provides all of the essential tools to keep your bike tuned and running smoothly. Be prepared for a roadside adjustment and minor repair with the Bontrager Compress Multi-Tool. This simple tool features a compact design that easily packs and the weight of the toolkit is around 135 grams. Friends, this is a Camelback Podium chill insulated bike water bottle. It is a squeezable bottle and having optimized cage fit. The capacity of the bottle is 595 ml. The best of the best cycling bottle for delivering cold consistent cycling hydration. In this bottle, double wall construction keeps water cold twice as long. It is easy to squeeze and get more fluid with less effort. For some riders, kickstand is essential part. This particular stand is from Bontrager. The stand is very light and strong. The design of the stand is also very good with high build quality. The adjustable length fits bike with 24 inch to 29 inch wheel size and the weight of the kickstand is around 400 grams. Friends, this is front light and tail light set from Bontrager, which is world renowned brand. In this video we are talking about Bontrager daytime running light for cycling. Let us see what comes in the box. The first one is Bontrager Iron 100R front light with sealed lithium ion battery, USB rechargeable, and flare RCT tail light. And the second thing is quick connect brackets for headlights. Fits any size round handlebar around 22.2 mm to 35 mm handlebar. And third is charger cable. Micro USB cable can be plugged into a computer or wall adapter. How can fit flare RCT into the quick connect bracket? It is very simple. Just slide the flare RCT onto the bracket until it clicks. And to remove the flare RCT, press down on the tab and slide the light away from the lever. Alternatively, you can remove the entire quick connect bracket with the light attached. Both light and 100R and flare RCT can be fit and removed by the same process. Charging the battery. Open the USB port cover. Plug the micro charger cable into the USB port on the light. Plug the cable into a computer or wall adapter. When the red LED is flashing, it means it is on charging. Complete charging takes approximately 4 hours from the empty. Status indicator while charging. When LED is flashing red, the flash red shows as charging near completion. And when LED is off, it means charge complete. When the charge is complete, unplug the microcharger cable and close the USB port cover. How to install the iron 100R? Place the quick connect on the handlebar with the hook in front. Make sure the power button should be facing up. Then stretch the strap under the bar and connect to the hook. Use the second hook to latch excess strap. And the lens of the light should be perpendicular to the road. To install the flare RCT. Now stretch the strap around the seat post and connect to the hook. Install the quick connect bracket on the seat post with the lever to the drive side of the bike. When installed properly, make sure the lens will be perpendicular to the ground and saddle icon will point the same direction as the saddle on the bike. To power on, press the power button. The light will be in the output mode, last use. There are two modes in flare RCT, that is auto flash and auto steady. In auto flash mode, there is same lumen output for day or night, that is 35 lumen. Flare RCT runtime in day 8 hours and in night 16 hours. In auto steady, there is a different lumen output. In day 20 lumen output and in night only 2 lumen. Runtime for day 3 hours and in night 20 hours. In iron 100R, there is different modes, that is high, medium, low and auto flash mode. In high mode, there is 100 lumen and the runtime is 1.5 hour. In medium mode, there is 50 lumens and the runtime is 3 hours. In low mode, there is only 5 lumen output and the runtime is 16 hours. For iron 100R in auto flash mode, there is same lumen output for day or night, that is 100 lumen, but the runtime is different. In day there is 8 hours and in night 7 hours. you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share it. Thank you for watching.